Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can send a direct message using the ParentSquare mobile app. What is a direct message and when should you use it? A direct message is intended to be used to communicate with one or a few students or parents. It's best for private communication, share sensitive information such as behavioral issues, or sending homework for an ill student. One of the best features in ParentSquare is that it auto-translates the message to the user's preferred language, so it makes it possible to communicate with families who don't speak English. There are some slight differences on how to access direct messages from Android and iOS, so I'll be sharing how you can do it in each of the interfaces. First things first, launch the ParentSquare app in your mobile device and sign in if needed. For Android users, I can create a new direct message by going to this plus sign and then tapping on Message. For iOS users, select Messages from the menu at the bottom of your screen. Then select the new message icon in the top right corner. Now let's select our message recipient. Type at least the first 3 characters of the recipient's name and tap Search. It's important to note that when you search for a student name, you'll see also the parents' names listed. You can select them if you'd like to include them in the conversation with their student. Select the names from the list by checking the box next to their name. If you add more than one recipient to your message, you'll be able to set the conversation type. The private message option will create a private conversation with each of the recipients you selected. So in this example, Brandon and Alexandra will each receive an identical message, allowing you to continue the conversation with each one individually. This will save you a lot of time if you'd like to address the same topic with multiple families or students. The group message option will allow recipients to see each other's replies, so more like a group chat style. You can have up to 50 recipients in a group message. I will go ahead and select private message in this example. Now it's time to type your message here. You can include photos or files to a message by selecting this paperclip here. When you are ready, just select the send option. Now let's see how you can reply to a direct message. You can do this in a few ways. In the ParentSquare app is the first one. You will see a colored circle with the number of unread messages in the messages icon in the bottom of the page. Simply tap on it to see the conversation history. You can then select the conversation you wish to reply to. The second way is to reply via SMS. To do this, you must have set the text notification to either instant or digest. This is how it would work. The direct message must originate from the ParentSquare app or browser. The message is then received as a text message, and the recipient can reply directly to this text message. You cannot reply via SMS to group conversations, only private ones. And the great news is that the two-way direct translation will still apply. To view any attachments such as images or files, the user will have to click the link in the message to open the ParentSquare app or browser to view them there. The third way to reply is via email. Same as with the reply via SMS, the direct message must originate from the ParentSquare app or browser. The message is then received as an email message, and the recipient can reply directly within their email. Or they can click the link Reply in App, which opens the ParentSquare browser or mobile app. A recipient can reply to a group conversation using reply from their email. The email will show all the names in the group message or the group name, if there is one. Attachments, such as images or files, need to be viewed in the ParentSquare app or browser. You can search for any direct message in your own inbox using the mobile app. From the ParentSquare homepage, tap Messages at the bottom. Here at the top, you'll see a search tool. You can search by recipient name or a word in a message. So simply type 3 or more characters of the recipient's name or word in the search bar, then tap Search. If your keyboard is hiding some of the results, you can tap Done to close it. Now just tap on a specific message to see the message thread. You can also change the name of a group chat thread to help you identify them easier. You can only do this if you created the group chat. To do this, go to Messages at the bottom of the homepage and tap on a public group message. These are conversations with 3 or more recipients, and for iOS users, they are identified by the 3-person icon. Now tap on the eye icon in the upper right, and then in the name field with a pencil icon. Now enter a new name and tap OK. You can also send a private message to an individual user in a group chat if needed. From this message thread details page, tap on the 3 dots to the right of a name. A new message window will open with only this person as a recipient. Now type and send your message. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.